Yeah, I feel like I need a haircut.
Did you press?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
How young?
What am I smelling? As you see.
Go on. Version of it. Minimum, yeah. Leaving the, very comfort of my home. Very comfortable home. To go to Berlin for the weekend. I'm meeting my, basically, Instagram pen pal. It's a bit dark. Basically, my Instagram pen pal since like 2017. We're gonna finally meet up in real life. There have been moments where we almost met up, but then we missed each other just by a couple of days in Bali, just by a couple of days in Switzerland, and yeah, it just hasn't happened. But finally I was like, look, I need a break from the apartment stuff. How about I go to Berlin? And then she was like, yeah, come stay with me. And then I booked it, and here we are. Finally, I'm so excited to have a little girls' weekend. Sweater is so soft from Calvin Klein. Trousers Uniqlo. These are actually knee-high boots, also Calvin Klein. And the trench is Uniqlo. So those are the two brands that I think also for the remainder of this trip will be rocking. I've tucked my hair in because I kind of like rocking the short bob movement. So here we go. Berlini! Also, I'm only traveling with a little backpack. Not a little one, it's quite a big one, to be fair. This is very new territory for me, but I really didn't want to pay for that carry-on. I really did not. So here we go. Oh, I need to take out the trash. My friend Nadira is actually staying here for the weekend, so I tidied up a bit because previously there was just like open suitcases, open boxes everywhere. She's staying this weekend. I've left my key. So enjoy this mess, darling. Trash. No trash.
That's cute. What? Oh! Woo! That was me. I'm so sorry. That's okay. Wait, let's do a little intro. Hello! Hello! Finally with Nomi after being internet friends since like 2017 or something. Was it?
Yeah, this was 6 years.
Yeah.
More than 6 years.
First time meeting IRL. And we're gonna get pho at my favorite place in Berlin to get pho because it's the only place that I know, but it's good. And it was a recommendation from you. So here it is.
So good. They also have a really good coconut soup.
Oh, never tried that one. Good.
Would you like a plate?
Oh no, I'm fine, thank you. Would you like some of mine?
No, thank you.
Okay. Nomi got the banh mi. Are they all the same price? Yeah, $14.90.
Oh, we should have filmed that.
Yeah. Do you think they'll let us in again?
Maybe just wait like 2 seconds.
They have a camera on us probably and they're like, like what are these TikTok bitches doing?
You want to film it? Totally not staged.
Wait, don't let us hit it again.
Did you press?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Management.
I think it's first floor. I can see that. Thank you.
London was really interesting. I was just saying about like basically a girl and she had like really shit mental health and like her struggle through it. Sometimes I really like it, and sometimes it's like, this is not my.
Making reels and making YouTube videos.
Exactly like you are right now.
Like I film one way and then turn my phone.
Yeah, and then also photo.
Oh yeah.
I don't do it regularly.
Yeah. Fair. How young? Yeah. We have the, what is this? Boston cream pie.
Boston cream.
And then I have the chocolate mousse, and they're both vegan. I'm shooting on the GoPro as well. And we got flash from Nomi. Cheers. Cheers, good. Have you had it before?
Many times. And then it will show me if I got like copyright strike. Or like not a strike, but like if it's blocked in certain countries. Because what it is now is like it's copyrighted, but the owner allows.
Right.
But you can't monetize. Do you have a stomach ache?
No?
I have like a really bad stomach ache.
Just now?
Yeah. For the
Oh.
last like 10 minutes, I'm like, what's going on?
No, I'm fine. Oh no.
Oh no. Did I eat something? What the fuck?
Because we didn't eat the same thing.
No.
First time trying, what is this? Sujuk? Minimum?
It's like S-U-C. Why am I spelling? S-U-C.
Go on.
Sujuk. And it's, what did you say it was?
Minimum?
No.
No, sujuk.
Bratwurst is a type
Oh,
of-
sausage.
It's a sausage.
Yes, the language combinations
I
here.
think it's going to be a bit spicy.
Ooh.
Or like, normally it would be, but I don't know since we're in Germany.
Yeah, okay. But it's basically, what was it? Shakshuka, but the Turkish version of it.
Minimum. Yeah.
Miniman, yeah. Looks nice. It smells really good.
I love them both. But
And we get a fat stick of butter. Yes. Thank you for presenting that very beautifully. Yours is like a mommy version of mine.
I know, it's the baby.
We're trying to find a selfie spot.
Yes, it's so hard.
Yeah.
The light's awful and like, I feel like I look like a egg.
Do
You feel like Hagrid?
Yeah, I feel like I need a haircut. It's like Haggard, but this is cute.
Yeah, it's cute.
I should do it
I
somewhere
walk
here.
here like almost every day when I'm in Berlin.
Huh.
Smells
I
like
like, yeah. It's very autumn at the moment.
Is it fleas or bed bugs?
Bed bugs that are like taking over Europe.
Looking up for the news and I can't find anything.
Oh yeah. I'm terrified of international travel right now because of all the bed bugs.
No, but like actually.
Yeah. Because Paris Fashion Week is really transported it. Like, they're getting around.
Right. I genuinely thought it was a joke at first when I saw that meme, and I was like, no way, it's not real.
Yeah.
But it makes sense. Like, once it spreads, it's like
Yeah.
in New York, it's so normal.
Bed bugs.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's scary.
I actually had them with me.
Oh, you
When
get
I
like
was living
bitten
there.
and stuff as well.
No.
Oh, you just had them on the
Like,
bed.
I found them. Oh wow, it's all over the news.
Right? Anyway, I'm heading home in a bit. It's sad.
No.
It's been so fun.
Such a perfect autumn weekend.
Yeah.
Just like eating,
Cafe hopping.
chilling.
It was really nice. It rained a bit, but it didn't like ruin the weekend.
Yeah, it was cozy still.
Yeah. And it's not too cold yet, so it was good.
가슴이 터질 듯해 너도 날 똑같이 사랑해줄래 네가 돌아볼 때마다 고백 연습하는 나 I just wanna make you mine until the end My summertime 얼어붙을까봐 그냥 서있어 계속 붙어있어